IDFC First Bank announced its Q1 FY27 results on 25th July. The bank reported its highest ever quarterly profit after tax at Rs 1075 crore, which is up by 132% year over year and 237% up quarter over quarter. IDFC First Bank core operating profit stood at Rs 2,371 crore, representing a 36% increase year over year and 59% increase quarter over quarter. Its net interest income rose nearly 21% to Rs 5,972 crore year over year, reflecting a healthy growth in the bank's core lending business. The bank net interest margin percentage, that is NIM percentage, stood at Rs 5.96%, which is up by 25 basis points year over year and 3 basis points quarter over quarter. The bank's gross NPA reduced to 1.51% in Q1 FY27 versus 1.97% in Q1 FY26, improving by 45 basis points year over year. It represents better asset quality of the bank. Its net NPA lowered to 0.44% in Q1 FY27 versus 0.55% in Q1 FY26, showing an improvement of 11 basis points year over year. It also represents better asset quality of the bank. IDFC First Bank loans and advances given to customers stood at Rs 2,97,834 crore, a 20% increase year over year and a 5% increase quarter over quarter, reflecting a healthy business growth. IDFC First Bank total deposits reached to 3,11,892 crore, which is up by 18% year over year and 6% quarter over quarter. Now we will talk about CASA deposits, that is current account saving account deposits. The company reported strong CASA deposits at Rs 1,58,492 crore, surging 25% year over year and 8% quarter over quarter. Its CASA ratio also strengthened significantly to 51% in Q1 FY27 versus 48% in Q1 FY26, showing an improvement of 283 basis points year over year. Bank provisions for non-performing assets also declined significantly by 31%. It also reflects that bank's asset quality is improving. Overall, we can say that in Q1 FY27, IDFC First Bank reported robust numbers and witnessed strong business momentum. It will be interesting to see